Hello, guys. Just want to go over how to review your students' work and how to make sure that you can check their grades today. So, first off, you're going to go to their Google Classroom. If you go to a 9 Grid or what's called their Google Apps page, they should be logged into their Stockton Unified account, so their .org account. You'll see a 29 number there. If you hit Google Classroom, all their classes will populate. As you can see, these are all my classes that you can see that I'm a part of as a teacher. As far as a student, I'm going to give you guys a student view version of like what it would look like to see as a teacher or as a student here. So what you would see is the main stream. From here, you'll see classwork. These are all the assignments that would be posted here in your classwork section. In order to see your students' work, you can click on View Work. You can see this is some work that Mr. Brooks is missing, but this is for our PLC collaboration, so we have a different way of doing things now from years previous, but I just wanted to share with you this is how you would find your students' grades. From here, what you can do is you can actually see all assigned assignments, assignments that have been returned, and then assignments are missing. So, for example, I'm going to show you one of the ones that I've done, so that way you understand like where you can see it. So you can actually see and view the details here of this assignment. I can click on it, and here is where you would see your students' work. So this is where you would see the assignment and maybe some assignments here, some information, some articles that your student needs to read or anything. Just so you know, sometimes what will happen is if I exit out of this real quick, you can actually turn in something, and your students might try this, is where they'll say, well, I turned something in. Okay, well that's great, but the biggest thing is whether or not they actually clicked on the assignment here to do the work. The other part of this would be also if they added the file that needed to be uploaded, so they can actually add files. So, for example, you can take screenshots that's in their Google Drive. They can add files that they need to put in here to turn in their work. So, and then they can actually resubmit and mark it as done. Okay. So that's one way to look at this. So I'm going to go back to my assignments here. So if I go back to my classwork and view my work. So say if something is missing, you can go to view details, and here you go, add or create. So a lot of times what a lot of us as teachers do, we will sign a document that will already be here with their name on it. So from there, they can actually just submit the assignment once they've opened it and actually finished it. So again, you'll have students say, but I finished my work. Well, make sure you click on the assignment that was uploaded, and you can actually see if they actually completed the work or not. That's the biggest issue that we're having with students. They'll say that they did turn things in, but they failed to actually do the work what's in here under your work. Okay, so we want to make sure that's done. Okay. Again, you can check grades. In this Google Classroom, you won't see it, but in your child's classroom, you can actually click here where it will say, or actually it will be under your view work. So just go here for view work, and then from here, what will happen is you will have a percentage, and that will correlate to their actual grade. So just want to let you guys know. Thank you.